What's up guys, Techie Tech Guy here. Google's Pixel 6a shines for its great camera, affordable price and attractive design. But keep in mind, the Pixel 7 is launching soon. Earlier this year, Samsung and Apple showed that a great phone doesn't have to cost close to $1,000, and Google is now doing the same with its $449 Pixel 6a. On July 28, Google will release a new, more reasonably priced Pixel that has the same Tensor processor as the Pixel 6 but costs $150 less. The Pixel 6a is available for £399 and $749 internationally. Since the release of the Pixel 3a in 2019, Google has offered more affordable A-series Pixel phones. In contrast to its most recent predecessors, the Pixel 6a, however, fills a different requirement in Google's range. The Pixel 5a and Pixel 4a appear to address certain issues with the Pixel 5 and Pixel 4. The Pixel 5a and 4a seemed like the better upgrades for Pixel aficionados when they first released because both devices were pricey. On the other hand, the Pixel 6a has a harder thing to follow. In summary, the Pixel 6a succeeds in delivering a lot for a low price. Although the camera is a step back from the Pixel 6, it still produces clear and vibrant images for a phone of this price. The same appealing style and Pixel-specific software functions like Live Translate and Magic Eraser are also included. The Pixel 6's recent substantial markdown, which reduced its cost to $499, is the issue, though. The Pixel 6a looked difficult to recommend because there was just a $50 pricing difference between two devices for Amazon Prime Day. In the market for mid-range Android OS phones, Samsung is also posing a greater threat to Google. Samsung does outperform Google in some areas, notably when it comes to displays. Although I believe Google offers a better overall package. The Pixel 6a practically looks identical to the Pixel 6 if you don't compare the two devices side by side. The same two-tone pattern is present, and the back of the phone features a horizontal black camera bar. The camera strip on the Pixel 6a is likewise narrower than the one on the Pixel 6, but other than that, they are visually and physically similar. Google claims that the back cover of the Pixel 6a is comprised of thermoformed plastic composite, although it could easily be mistaken for glass. Although you can hardly see the change, it is one of the few visible aesthetic variations between the Pixel 6a and Pixel 6. These elements give the Pixel 6a the impression of being more costly than it actually is, especially when compared to Samsung phones with comparable prices. The Pixel 6a actually has one of the greatest designs among phones in this price range. The Pixel 6a's plastic composite rear conceals fingerprint smudges more subtly than the $450 Samsung Galaxy A53 5G, which is arguably the Pixel 6a's biggest competition. In comparison to the Pixel 5a and 4a, Google is adopting a somewhat different strategy with the Pixel 6a. Google made the Pixel 6a smaller than the Pixel 6, yet those smartphones were larger than the flagship phones they were based on. The Pixel 6a screen measures 6.1 inches, the same size as the Galaxy S22 and iPhone 13, while the Pixel 6's normal screen measures 6.4 inches. So overall, if we summarize up, a great camera, attractive design and early 3 years guaranteed software updates, the Pixel 6a is the best phone in this price range for Android fans. We will cover all the details of Google Pixel and its other products in the very next video so that your precious time can be saved and cover all the related things. Till then you can watch other tech-related and leaked video on Techie Tech Guy channel. Allow me till next video, stay safe, and peace out.